Okay, so I've added this width that is 500 and height that is equals to 600. Now what happens, let's just check. Run in Launcher Internet Explorer. So what I've done is here I've changed this to 1000 just to check how crazy it goes. Okay, so if I run it again, see my image is big right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna reduce this to 500 by 500, which was I guess not the original aspect ratio. Run. First I'm gonna have to save this file, then run. Okay, now it comes like this. Okay, so that was your image and the adjustment of your image. Alright, so what I've done here is I have added a style to my paragraph. Now what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna remove this thing, and for a while I'm gonna cut it and paste it into my other notepad, so not to interfere. Okay, now if I'm gonna run this thing, so you can see this is also a paragraph, but this is a paragraph with style in this. Now this, in HTML5 CSS is integrated. Okay, it's embedded. So what you do is you just type this style, okay, and set it equals to whatever color you like, and your paragraph is gonna be that specific color. See, I am a paragraph, this is a paragraph. So you see the difference of style and the normal paragraph. So this is how you use your styling.